How to use a combination lock. Step 1. Get out your combination. Step 2. Turn the lock to the right until you reach the first number of your combination. Step 3. Turn the lock dial one full turn to the left before stopping on the second number. Step 4. Turn the lock to the right again until you reach the last number. Step 5. Try it a few more times until you remember the combination. Step 6. After you're done in your locker, close it and remember to lock your lock properly. Be sure to lock your lock to protect your property from being stolen. Now, if you do see someone with their lock not locked all the way, be a responsible ardent panther and lock it for them. You can lock your lock properly by making sure it's closed all the way and turn the lock around once and pull it. Now you know how to use a combination lock.